All right, I just get so excited to bring you these fabrics. So, you know, we have this guy who does all our pricing for us, and so he tells me these prices. So I'm gonna cheat on him a little bit. Anyway, the prices are all $19.99, but I'm gonna do this one at $14.99. You guys, this is really cool. This is 100% cotton. This is perfect for those like little undershirts, or even if you want to layer it. It's beautiful. It has great stretch, 100% cotton. It's a milk creamy color. It's so pretty, and it's so soft. I think that's where it's so soft, but I put it with this because it blends beautifully. And this is a woven. It's a stretch woven. It's mostly cotton. It's got something else in it, but it's like almost 100% cotton. It's beautiful. You could use both sides. I don't know which side's the right side, but I love the colors in it. It's like a cobalt blue, which is what this is, and a black, and then this milk color. So it goes beautifully. Then this is 100% cotton. It's a Pontoroma. Stretch in both directions, and it's that blue color in there. It's so pretty. It's actually the blue color in here too. This is a really pretty blue. Look at this. Oh, is that enough to get your blood pumping? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So this is a gray and black and this cobalt blue, and it has stretch in both directions, and it's 100%. There might be a little tiny something, but it's like 100% cotton. It's beautiful. And then this is a gray that goes with it. So we just kind of matched them all. This gray goes with this also. You can see that they just all blend beautifully together. This is stretch in two directions also, and it's also 100% cotton. Or it might have something little in it. This is 100%. These might have some kind of residual. And then this is the Theory. It goes beautiful with this gray. That's going to be $19.99. Which is a really good deal. This has stretch in both directions. You guys, for these little jackets, this new jacket we did, Koo's jacket, it's going to be absolutely perfect. These are just so good looking. The stretch woven is lovely, and this, oh, I love it. Look at that, $14.99. Just don't tell. Everything else $19.99. All right, happy sewing.